and then when it idles for a few minutes, it's going to start sounding normal, and then you increase the RPM with this. Only in the morning will you use the choke, because in the morning it needs a little bit more. But as you go to the next job, you probably won't need the choke. If you use the choke on every job, you'll probably flood it.
I get you.
If you did
It's
that,
just in the
you gotta
morning.
wait.
Yeah.
This is your pump out. You guys don't have a pump out. If you ever wanted to, it's an option. You can get a pump out that pumps the wastewater out. But this machine already has a 90-gallon tank.
Okay.
Okay? This is the dump hose for that tank. You empty the tank
Yeah.
when it gets
Okay.
full.
Cool.
Gotcha.
Number one reason the machine will turn off on you and freak you out is because the tank got full.
Okay.
Right? And once in a while, that float will get stuck in the top position.
Okay.
And you won't be able to start it. It's like, I just drained my tank, but it's not starting. Well,
Okay.
check that. But
Okay, I get it.
right away. Usually the first thing that happens is it gets full and it shuts off, and you try to turn it on, you panic.
Gotcha. Cool.
This has got the special clutch on it, this machine, so it has this thing where when you can do restoration work as well. That means you're not going to use the pump, so you turn the pump off.
Okay.
When you turn the pump off and you're not using the pump because you're just using the vacuum only, you can crack open this bypass valve.
Okay.
What it does, it shoots the hot water into there.
Okay.
So that means this machine can actually run without water for flood restoration. You don't need to hook up the water.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
why this clutch is important.
Okay. So if we're trying to only the vacuum. Okay. I get it.
When you're cleaning carpets, you want this closed,
All right.
and
This
you
off.
want the pressure pump on.
On.
Because the
We want
pump
on. Yeah.
is the one for your water.
Yep.
The pressure pump is adjustable by this. This adjusts it. This reads the pressure. Carpet cleaning is about 400 psi. That's where you should be.
Okay.
For cleaning carpet. And then this you don't really worry about right now. I can explain that to you a little later, but that's just a vacuum gauge. This is your vacuum. This is where you hook up the vacuum hose going to the house.
Okay.
And this is your inlet for the fresh water. This
Fresh
is where the
water.
clean water.
Right.
goes in. For right now, you're gonna hook this up here, and the other end is gonna go to the faucet.
Right.
Water comes in, water goes into that box.
Okay.
That is like a float in there, like
Okay.
a toilet.
Yep.
And it retains the water in there, it keeps the water full.
Gotcha.
And the machine feeds off of that water, and that water goes into a pressure pump.
Right.
And the pressure pump is the one that is here and here, controlled from here.
Gotcha.
And the pressure pump produces the water, which goes into a heat exchanger. The heat exchanger is powered by the engine exhaust. So the engine, as it exhausts into the heat exchanger, is what creates the hot water. And then the hot water comes out from the front right here. And that's
Right.
what's going to the house.
Right.
Gotcha.
Nice. Okay.
And then when from the house, it gets sucked in, the water comes into the vacuum hose, goes in here, drops in there. There's a filter in there. That filter filters the debris, and the water falls inside. And then the air comes out from the tank into this blower. Blower is the vacuum. And it comes out and it exhausts out of here.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I get you. All right. The question on the filters. That's something we would have to change regularly, or
Every day, you can empty that.
Take it out.
no? The filters?
The waste tank, yes.
It's
No.
a.
No, I meant like the filter. It's you said there's a filter there,
It's
right?
clean every day. It's
Oh,
easy,
we have to
just take
clean it every day.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
a
just-
basket.
It's a basket, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
It's kind of like
There's
the pool.
Okay. Cool.
The basket of the pool is just.
There's two filters.
Okay.
One is the dirty water filter.
Yep.
The second one is before it goes into here, into the blower,
Right.
the vacuum.
Uh-huh.
There's another filter.
There's another filter. Okay.
that filters the air.
Air filter. Yeah.
So both has to be clean.
No.
Oh, that's
that
air
one,
filter.
That
That's,
one sometimes, like maybe once a month.
Once a month. Okay.
Those
That's
are
good to
easy
know.
Order those.
You won't even need it. Yeah.
Yeah.
But
Or
you wash
but
it.
oh, you
good.
wash it. It's a
Oh, it's
washable.
washable. Oh, I saw the square one.
Yeah.
Oh, that's easy. Yeah, I
Yeah.
got you.
Yeah. So that's basically it.
Okay,
But there's
cool.
a checklist. It comes with your book.
Bet.
And we're just gonna go down the checklist so you don't have
Okay.
to overthink. I'd put it right here.
Okay.
So
Cool.
the guys
Yeah.
can just do
All
that.
right.
Perfect.
Yeah.
As far as that maintenance goes, it's 50-hour oil change and filter.
Okay.
You can go up to like 100, but if you go to 100, then you're using it a lot.
Yeah,
But if
yeah.
it's sitting around,
50 hour.
change 50.
I
Okay.
got you.
This is your chemical pump.
Okay.
Okay, chemical pump is kind of separate from this machine. This pump right here.
Okay.
And what this is called is a last step injection. What that means is as the water comes out, this chemical is injected into this,
Gotcha.
going out.
Okay.
That way, the machine doesn't have the chemical running inside.
Ah, that's cool. Yeah.
So it's a special pump.
Right.
And the way that pump works, you have to prime it. So you have to turn this on.
Uh-huh.
And when you turn that on, you see this ball go up and the
Right.
bubbles in there.
Yeah.
And then the bubbles come out and the ball just bounces on the top.
Okay.
That means it's ready.
It push
And
all
then
the
you
air
put it
bubbles
on.
out. I got
Okay.
Okay.
Gotcha.
All carpet cleaning products on it, it says in the instructions, it'll say Truckmount stock solution, add 16 ounces in the rest water. What that means is this is 16 ounces and the rest water in here. That's
Okay.
the chemical
Okay.
stock. Then you meter that at 3,
Ah.
right? So you open it and you put it on 3 right there.
After it goes up, air bubbles down, then bring it back
Yeah.
down to 3. That's it.
So
Yeah.
when you,
Well,
when
you put it on first, then you bring it down to 3.
Yeah.
put on prime first.
Prime.
You go,
Yeah.
and then when you're ready, you bring it down here and,
And
then
then
you
3.
adjust it
To 3.
to
Two.
3, but only when you when he presses will it go up to 3. When you press the trigger,
Oh,
the water
okay.
has to be moving.
Gotcha.
Oh, gotcha.
These hardly ever go off. Just so you know, if it's going off, that someone screwed something. Maybe 5 years you might have a problem, but if someone messes with something, then it'll go off.
Ah, gotcha.
They don't usually ever go off.
Okay.
Other than that, I think we'll go over the manual a little bit too at the end, but there's not much to it. Garden hose goes in here,
Mhm.
inlet. The hose going to the house,
Yep.
hot water, pressure hose, goes into the house. The vacuum coming from there comes in here.
Mhm.
When you're doing restoration, you can put your pressure pump off and crack this open because you don't want the hot water inside running, getting hot.
Right.
When you crack that open and you turn the pump off, then whatever water's in there will just go into your vacuum.
Oh, okay.
And then again, to start it on, turn it on, press that button until it starts, and then you pull the idle, bring it all the way out with high RPM, and then you can connect your vacuum. Your solution line, you want it connected already,
Okay.
because otherwise the pressure will build up and it's going to be hard for you to connect.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah.
So hook up the vacuum hose after the
Afterwards.
After. Okay.
Yeah, exactly. That's kind of the unique thing of the truck mount. The portable actually is opposite. You want to hook up the vacuum hose first because it draws less amps. This one is it puts load on it
Interesting.
unnecessarily.
Okay.
Anyway, and that's pretty much it. And we could probably just hook up everything, and if you don't have anything, we can buy it or whatever, or most of everything is in there for you to get going.
Okay.
You can actually clean, and then you'll be like, oh, I need this, or I don't need that.
Yeah.
Okay. Gotcha.
Yeah.
Cool.
Do we go through what we